Our strategy is definitely working. Yes, our shareholders are very happy now. It's a milestone for all mining business in Canada. It's so nice to see for a lot of junior mining companies when larger mining companies are supporting mining business in Canada. Our TNR Gold team and our strategy received a vote of confidence from Altius, a Canadian 2.5 billion market cap royalty company in Canada.
Hello, you're watching Proactive. I'm joined by Kirill Klipp. He is Executive Chairman of TNR Gold. Kirill, very good to speak with you. Your shares jumped 30% on that 4.2 million Canadian dollar strategic investment by Altius. What does this partnership unlock for TNR Gold strategically?
Yes, good afternoon, Stephen. Thank you for having us today. After months of diligent negotiations, in line with our announced strategy of corporate development, we are delighted to welcome Altius, a Canadian 2.9 billion market cap royalty company, as a strategic investor in TNR Gold. It's a strategic, non-control position that signals confidence in our company. Altius will take 23.5 million shares of TNR Gold for approximately Canadian $4.2 million. We received basically our first Michelin star, and Mr. Market celebrated with us this time. TNR Gold shares jumped, as you said already, 30% on Monday, right after announcement, reaching 27 cents and closing at 26 cents. The Altium team shares the fundamental values, vision, and strategic objective of the TNR Gold team. This is the qualities we are looking in all our shareholders in order to build the green energy metals royalty and gold company. This strategic investment enables TNR Gold now to advance the execution of our strategic plan, elevating our vision of building a new dynamic royalty and gold company to the next level. It further reflects strong market recognition of the quality of our assets and their potential by our strategic partners.
Well, apart from that 30% gain on Monday, Kirill, you delivered a 240% share price gain last year, also strong momentum this year. So a sign that your strategy is working.
Yes, Stephen, thank you for mentioning it. Our strategy is definitely working. Yes, our shareholders are very happy now. It's a milestone for all mining business in Canada. It's so nice to see for a lot of junior mining companies when larger mining companies are supporting mining business in Canada. Our TNR Gold team and our strategy received a vote of confidence from Altius, a Canadian 2.5 billion market cap royalty company in Canada. My personal stake of approximately 28 million shares serves as a further evidence of my deep commitment to our company. The potential of our royalty portfolio is now well recognized across the industry, and in the next important stage, we will tell our gem royalty story to Mr. Market and institutional investors, whose participation will help us achieve our well-defined goals. Now that TNR Gold is well-financed, we can consolidate and increase our royalty holdings, and we can deliver now on our main priorities. We would like, Stephen, to return the maximum of the royalty cash flow to our shareholders. We can start now with buyback of shares once we will receive first royalty payments, and then we can move closer to implementing of dividend policy once all approvals will be received.
Well, looking at the portfolio, Kirill, with Ganfeng exporting first lithium chloride at Mariana, how close are you to meaningful royalty cash flow?
Yes, exactly, Stephen. We are anticipating first royalty payments literally within next few weeks. We celebrated in February the shipment of first 240 tons of lithium chloride by Ganfeng from our Mariana Lithium project on export. And they're ramping up the production up to 20,000 tons per year, which could contemplate for TNR Gold shareholders approximately $1.6 million in royalty revenue stream. And now Ganfeng is talking already about implementing plans for stage number 2 and 3 for Mariana Lithium after announcing 60% increase in resource.
Moving on to Los Azules, McEwen Mining targeting construction in 2027. How significant could Los Azules be for your valuation, Kirill?
Yes, Stephen, as you know, Rob McEwen is making headlines with his wonderful advance of this giant copper project in Argentina, and we are following with all our headlines without your strategic investment in our company. Now, Rob is contemplating an IPO in order to move forward financing of this giant copper, gold, and silver project. He is talking now about negotiations with potential lenders up to $4 billion in total financing, including equity and financing. IFC is supporting the project as a lead lender. Los Azules joined the incentive tax regime, RIGI, in Argentina. So everything is moving very fast, very smoothly for Rob McEwen and his team. And we hope to celebrate another milestones literally in a few months this year.
Well, let's round it off with your Shotgun Gold project in Alaska. What's the latest there?
Yes, it's very important project for us as well. Very important strategic approach here. We will not invest any cash flow received from our royalties into development of this project. Our strategy is well defined, and we are negotiating a joint venture deal on this property in order that a major gold mining company will advance this project in Alaska. We already have the 700 plus thousand gold ounces of gold in inferred category, and we have 5 very well-defined targets. So our approach here is to attract strategic investor in order to advance it, and then we would like to spin out all this project with already created Ameri Gold Company for the benefit of all our shareholders.
Well, Kirill, thank you very much for the update on those projects. Great speaking with you.
Thank you very much, Stephen, for having us. Have a great day today.
You too, Kirill Klipp, Executive Chairman of TNR Gold.